Hi guys, hope you are doing well. This is Shubhru here. Welcome to my channel Tech Interview Guided. So in this video today I come with another interview experience video. This time company name is Lexmark. So please stay tuned on this video and don't forget to like our channel, share our channel, subscribe our channel. Thank you. So you all know about Lexmark. Lexmark is a private held American company. It basically manufactures laser printers and imaging products. So the company headquartered in Lexington, US. So in India, they have only one development center that is in Kolkata. So work culture, tech stack wise, work life balance, those things are really good, I will say, in Lexmark. And like tech stack, you can work with variety of tech stack there. All kind of tech stacks are available there. So it's a really nice company whose office in Kolkata. Hi Shivam. First of all, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. So Shivam recently got offer from Lexmark as a developer one. So congratulations for that, Shivam.
Thank you, Saudhi.
So Shivam, could you introduce yourself?
So my name is Shivam Kumar, and I have done my graduation from Institute of Engineering and Management. I recently joined Lexmark as SD1 software developer in full stack Java. So yes.
Okay, got it. Thanks. So Shivam, you joined Lexmark as a fresher. So is it on-campus opportunity for you or off-campus opportunity for you, Lexmark?
Lexmark came to my college. It was an on-campus opportunity.
Okay, for you it's on-campus opportunity. Okay.
Yes.
Thanks for this information. So Shivam, can you tell us a bit about the interview round? How is it in Lexmark?
So Lexmark came into my college with the criteria that you have above 8 CGPA, and after that we sat for the aptitude round, and after clearing the aptitude round, we were sent to the next coding round, where there were two questions based on data structure and algorithms. So it was more like one was medium and other was like hard. So I can say it hard as because it was the concept of dynamic programming, and the one was much simpler, but it does have the data structure and algorithm. After that,
Shivam, do you remember the questions? Like what was those two questions, or what is the topic? Do you remember it?
So I don't remember exactly what was the question, but one was more of a modified version of knapsack problem, and another was the something bit more on the side of the array. So array. So I don't exactly remember the question, but it was like that. And after that, we were called for the interview round, first technical interview round. There, the interview asked me about the same data structure algorithm, how well and how logical you are in the data structure algorithm. They put different scenarios, and how can you solve those scenarios based on the data structure algorithm. They were shooting questions, basic concept of object-oriented programming as well. So these are the main parts from the data section. They also asked me about the database, DBMS, database management system, certain codes of SQL, and operating system as well. So these were the topics that covered during the first round of interview. In the second technical round, again, a panel of 3 guys asked me the questions based on your preferred language, whether it is C++, Python, Java, whatever it is. So they were like asking in depth of those topics. After clearing those rounds, the HR round, it was the HR round where HR asked me about your personality. They were accordingly judging through the answers which you gave. So like how is your leadership quality, how would you teamwork within the how would you collaborate within the team. So these are the questions. How did you cope up in the lockdown period? So these were the questions, and they were judging on their personalities based on the answers. So it was it.
Okay, got it. So your interview like mostly focus on the like computer fundamentals, OOPS and data structure algorithm for technical perspective.
Yes.
Okay. And you said like first round was like a apti round. So is it apti round means like a normal apti round, like maths, English, those questions are there?
Yes, these were the questions.
Okay, got it. Thanks for this information. So Shivam, those are the students who have their upcoming interview in Lexmark. Can you tell us how should they prepare?
So like every exam, students should prepare and focus on the data structure and algorithm. The first and the foremost thing is that. Apart from that, they should also do competitive programming, because it leads to the logical and critical thinking of the student. So it is what it is required in a company. So you are paid for your critical thinking. So I think you must do competitive programming. And apart from the, for the interview point of purpose, you should learn more about the operating system, DBMS, database management system, and system design. These topics, if you cover pretty well theoretically, I guess it's pretty to crack interview and impress your interviewer. But the main selection criteria that interviewer sees in you is that critical thinking and your coding skill. So after all, you are a software engineer, so what it is required.
Okay, got it. So like they should focus on the DSL mostly. Apart from that, like computer fundamentals should be also like required.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, got it. Thanks for this information. So Shivam, can you tell us a bit about the tech stack in Lexmark? How is it?
So Lexmark as a product-based company, it is a printer manufacturing company. So it works on every stack, every technology, every new technology it is working right now. So for the softwares, for the kind of they use Java full stack, that is front end is the Angular and back end is the Java, Hibernate, etc. For the driver codes, they use C++. So they also work on Pythons for the testing. They also have their IoT hub. So they also work on IoT. They have their team on the machine learning. So pretty much Lexmark works on in every new technology. So as a fresher, it's a great place for anyone to learn new technology. So
okay, got it. Yeah, thanks for this information. It's great to hear. So Shivam, can you tell us any free resource like student can prepare like DSLGO, computer fundamentals, system design, those three topics?
There are many free resources, like you can have the reference of Geeks for Geeks. You can practice competitive coding on Lit Code as well. You have the Code Safe there. You can weekly, monthly have the competitions of, so you can properly do competitive coding. There is a Code Forces also. So there are lots of free open resources, but you should have to be consistent with this competitive coding. That's the main point. Whatever you start with the consistency, do it, and you will get the result.
Okay. And like these are the like you have resource for like DSLGO and competitive programming, and for like OOPS or system design, computer fundamentals. From where should they prepare those topics?
For the DBMS operating system, these are the topics that is prepared through gate preparation. I guess. Yes. So there are lots of YouTube channels that you can find on, and you can prepare those through that playlist. So,
okay, got it. Thanks for this information. Shivam, I get to know you visit Lexmark Kolkata office. So can you tell us how is the experience there?
Yes, definitely. We were invited for the Lexmark office tour. We went there. Initially, I was afraid that this is the first time that I was going to a corporate, from college culture to corporate culture. So it was pretty much, we were nervous, like, so how we should interact with our seniors, what would they say if they meet. So we went there, and just like it, and the HR and everyone was so friendly that I can't say that we didn't feel a bit of nervousness, because They were so friendly. They cracked joke with us. Uh, they started playing games with us. So, and they saw all their cabins, their products, their system, how they work, their culture. So it was a very good experience when I first visited. I had a lot of expectations from the first company, but it was a great place.
Okay, okay, that's good to hear. So Shivam, like CV is like our Bible. So in CV, often mention like internship project, college projects. So can you tell us like how is it important?
Yes, definitely. Both is different things. So it's one is the internship and another is the college projects.
Yeah.
I guess both has its own weightage. So first thing, the college project, it should be, it reflects your hard work for the past 4 years.
Yeah.
So what you have done in the past 4 years, it does reflect on your final year project. So I guess it should be pretty good and impressive.
Yeah.
And it also yes, that adds also on your CV, that boosts your CV also as well. And internship is kind of your uh, work culture. I means whatever you do in the final year project, you make, how big project you make, you still make that project as a student, you still make those projects as a individual or whatever small team you have with your friends. But in the internship, you got the opportunity to work with a corporate, to work with a company. You get to see that uh, how those company work, how closely, how collaborative they are. So this the adds in the CV as a, that you are a people, you are a person who already has a work experience in a corporate life.
Yeah.
So it is much easier for the person to join my company. So that what interviewer would look into you.
Yeah.
They would say that it's much easier for you to adopt into, because he has already been working in some corporate through internship. So it's much easier for us to incorporate these guys into our culture. So both adds the same value into your CV. One shows that what you have done in your past 4 years, and one shows that how well you can cope up with the corporate culture.
Okay. Okay. That's great. Thanks for this explanation. Like it will be really helpful for students. Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Once again, thank you coming to my YouTube channel and share your interview experience. I guess this video will be really helpful for those students who have their upcoming interview in Lexmark. So thanks once again.
Thank you, thank you. It was a really pleasure meeting you. Every student who is watching this video, I guess it would be helpful for them as well in their preparation, in their direction, how they think to prepare for a job.
Yeah, absolutely. Guys, don't forget to like our channel, share our channel, subscribe our channel. Thank you.